Welcome to Health, Wellness, Lifestyle TV. I'm your host, Tammy Lynn McNabb. Today is the day. Today is the Healthy Vegan Cook-Off. We're gonna crown the winner. I'm super excited. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Let's go. I'm here with my fellow judge, Dennis. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna say, let's begin.
During the pandemic, I wasn't sure where my stable income would come from. And since I am a single mom, I went on this journey. I came up with all these ideas, having, let's say, mac and cheese in a pie, butter chicken in a pie, and it's all 100% vegan. And there's no fake meats in pies or in regular, and it just took off, and it's doing very well.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, we're excited. What's this?
This is tomato and zucchini galette with flaxseed topping. There's other vegetables too, like basil and spinach.
Okay, so maybe just break down your dish for us a little bit more.
Okay, I used for the dough, I used pistachio nuts, as well as flax seeds in this one too. It was a challenge for me to use spelt flour because I normally don't, but I thought what is under healthy. Mm-hmm. It was easy to work with. I'm quite pleased with it. And the filling has...
It's lovely, yeah.
And the filling has cheese, cream cheese, vegan, I have to say, vegan cream cheese. And it has flax oil and hemp seeds. And then I added, I just thought a bit of extra to give it a little extra flavor, the olive tapande.
It's very good. So your biggest challenge was in the crust, did you find?
Yes, but it went smoothly. I loved all the uses of the oil, like the flax I can do. The grounded one has, because I'm not using egg, I use it flat ground with, it's the ratio of 2 tablespoons of water against 1 flax.
To mimic an egg?
To mimic an egg, and I brushed it, and that's how the flax seed stayed on. Otherwise...
Now, did you use every component? Did you use
Yes, all 4 of them. Yeah, hemp is in the filling.
Is this an easy dish to make?
I would think, yeah, if you're into cooking or baking and you can put it all together. The nice thing about the filling, that you can put any vegetable you want. This is something I had, and fresh vegetables, but it can come with any other vegetables.
Good. Well,
very good, very filling.
Thank you, Daphna, very much. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.